People outside of India believe that India is a country जहाँ पे arranged marriages होती हैं. India तो ऐसा ही है, backward है. For them, India is only a small town वाला देश. People who are restricted in their thoughts, people who are restricted by their family. Why we are posing this question and why we did this research is कि actually ऐसा नहीं है. Most of us are going to find boyfriends and girlfriends and get married to the people we choose. And even parents have become cool.
We are just showing romance as it happens in our normal lives. I think we tend to get very polite in a lot of ways. We tell a story. But here we are not. I mean, like, if intimacy is presented freely on screen, it has to be, and it's there. And also, I think we are showing youth. हम लोग जिस तरीके से अभी कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेट में है, आई थिंक हम अपना दिमाग नहीं बना पा रहे हैं कि whether to stick to our Indian culture or whether we can allow us to get seduced by Western practices or whether just to follow our heart. तो हम लोग basically जो होता है वैसा दिखा रहे हैं, and then I think हमारे जो older generation है वो हमारी psychology समझेंगे और basically समझेंगे कि हम क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं.
For me personally, in my opinion, I would want to date somebody before I get to, the whole decision of marrying some person. So I would really want to know him and date him and get to know that person. So I think dating's cool. I think I should find somebody for myself too now.
Yeah, nowadays if my mom buys a t-shirt for me, I hate it. So I don't think I'll let her choose a boy for me. No, I would definitely want to find a boy for myself because I'm the only one who has to live with him all my life. I don't even think it should be a love marriage versus arranged marriage discussion. It's just choose the person you want to be with, that's it.
Again, I'm not very, for and against premarital sex. I don't really have a very preconceived judgment regarding that. To each its own.
That it's as per convenience. How can you blame it? कि girls like it when they are young and they scream. I think that's ridiculous. I think that's very disrespectful to say to a girl. If there is sex or a kiss or a hug, there are two people there and not just the girl. People, especially our elders से देखो पुराने हमारे ज़माने में ये नहीं होता था. तुम जो नए लोग हो ये सब करते हो. ब्लडी हर पुरानी पिक्चर में होता था मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. कैसे बनी? क्या किया तुमने? गुलाब के फूल के पीछे क्या हो रहा था? It's so ridiculous. It's so ridiculous and hypocritical. I don't understand why sex is such a taboo and like कुछ गलत हो गया. अरे भाई तुम खुद कैसे पैदा हुए थे यार? अगर मेरी बेटी उसको रात को 11 बजे मिल रही है तो she's out of hand. But अगर मैं दोपहर को लंच में मिलूँ that's safe. तुम्हें क्या पता लंच में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? So it's really ridiculous.